Welcome, digital pioneers and remote warriors. Today, we're diving into an essential skill in the modern entrepreneur's arsenal: remote pitch decks, tips for virtual presentations. Get ready to learn how to leverage technology and deliver a pitch that not only impresses, but also connects, no matter where your audience is. But first, let's perform a thorough technology check. Ensure your equipment is in top condition to avoid any technical mishaps. Check your microphone, camera, and internet stability. Now, let's talk about engaging your audience. Use powerful tools like screen sharing for your deck, virtual whiteboards for live demonstrations, or interactive polls to keep interest peaked. Remember, engagement is the key in a virtual format. Next, let's simplify your slides. In a remote setting, your slides need to be clear and visually appealing in order to maintain attention. Use concise text and captivating visuals to make your points stand out. Now, let's master the platform. Whether you're using Zoom, Teams, or any other service, knowing how to navigate your presentation software fluently will keep your pitch smooth and professional. Don't forget, eye contact matters. Look directly at the camera to simulate eye contact with your audience. This fosters a more personal connection, making your pitch feel engaging. Remember, storytelling is your friend. Craft your pitch to tell a captivating story, weaving through your mission, challenges, successes, and vision for the future. A strong narrative is especially impactful in a virtual format. Always be prepared for questions. Anticipate potential investor queries and encourage questions during your presentation. This interaction can make your pitch more dynamic and interactive. And lastly, don't forget to follow up. Send a thank you email, including your pitch deck and additional materials to keep the conversation going and solidify the connection you've made. By embracing these strategies, your virtual pitch can transcend physical barriers, opening up a world of opportunities. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. What tips do you have for nailing a remote pitch presentation? Share your wisdom and let's learn from each other's remote pitching experiences.